Generating text. Writing with ChatGPT. Are you looking for a trusted assistant to help you with your writing projects? ChatGPT is an AI-powered language model that can help you. As a powerful writing assistant, ChatGPT can help you create engaging content for a tech audience. Strengths and limitations. In this section, we'll dive into ChatGPT's strengths and areas where it might need additional guidance. Then, we'll walk you through writing with ChatGPT step by step to ensure a successful writing experience. ChatGPT's strengths. ChatGPT excels at breaking down complex ideas and presenting them in an easily digestible format. Whether you need help summarizing a concept, providing examples, or drawing analogies, ChatGPT can help. ChatGPT's limitations. Highly specialized or niche topics can be challenging because ChatGPT may not have enough knowledge to provide accurate or in-depth content. Sensitive or controversial topics can also be tricky because it may not be able to handle them with the necessary nuance or sensitivity. ChatGPT is an AI language model, so it can't provide personal experience or perspective. To get the best results from ChatGPT, follow these tips. Provide clear and specific prompts. Suggest edits or other suggestions if needed. Be patient and persistent in refining your content. A step-by-step guide. Step 1. Brainstorming your ideas. To make the most of ChatGPT as your writing assistant, start by gathering and organizing your ideas. Doing so will help set the stage for smooth collaboration and ensure a solid foundation for your article. 1. Use mind maps or bullet points. 2. Group related ideas together. 3. Prioritize information based on importance. 4. Identify gaps in areas needing more research. Step 2. Generating an outline with ChatGPT. Now that you've organized your ideas, it's time to put ChatGPT to work. 1. Converting your brainstorm into a prompt. 2. Ensuring clarity and conciseness. 3. Including any specific requirements or preferences. Step 3. Editing the outline. Once ChatGPT has generated an outline for your article, it's time to put on your editor's hat and refine it to ensure it meets your needs. 1. Rearranging sections for logical flow. 2. Adding or removing points as necessary. 3. Ensuring all key ideas are covered. Step 4. Writing the first section with ChatGPT. With your edited outline in hand, it's time to let ChatGPT work its magic and write the first section of your article. 1. Using the outline as a guide for the AI. 2. Requesting the first section based on the outline. 3. Setting expectations for tone and style. Step 5. Editing the first section. After ChatGPT generates the first section of your article, it's time for some editing to polish the content and make it shine. 1. Ensuring active language and engaging tone. 2. Checking for grammar and punctuation accuracy. 3. Maintaining consistency with the target audience. Step 6. Repeating steps 4 to 5 for remaining sections. With the first section of your article edited and polished, it's time to move back to step 4 and repeat the process for the remaining sections. Applications. Natural language processing. 1. Understand text. Summarize, explain, or find key info in text. 2. Write and complete text. Create stories, emails, or reports from a prompt. 3. Translate and rephrase. Translate between languages or change the tone/style of writing. 4. Check sentiment and tone. Tell if a message is positive, negative, or neutral. 5. Fix and improve writing. Correct grammar and make writing clearer and smoother. Working with documents. 1. AI search. Find quick answers and summaries from many sources. Compare things like products or ideas. Pull out important facts or timelines from documents. 2. Social media. Write posts, captions, and hashtags. Help plan content and schedules. Reply to comments in your brand's tone. 3. Creating works. Write stories, poems, songs, or scripts. Make characters or worlds for games or fiction. Improve or edit your writing. 4. News. Summarize or explain news stories. Write headlines or short news articles. Spot bias or compare how different sources report the same event.